Welcome to the new heist, fellow outlaws of Thunder Junction. Today we are looking for treasures in my first Playbooster display ever. Hi, I'm Alice, and if you're new here, I fell a little bit in love with Magic the Gathering's newest edition, Outlaws of Thunder Junction, mainly because of the artwork and the characters. And so far I've done 2 videos with openings of collector displays, so if you haven't watched them, I would totally recommend you to do that, because there were awesome cards in it, and yeah, check it out. But today we are going to open a Playbooster display. This is my first ever. And I'm not sure if it's really worth it to buy that, because I spent now 129 euros and I've already seen other videos where the cards didn't reach this value. So I have doubts if it's really worth it to buy this display, but we will find out now, so let's play. So here's my Playbooster set, so just really to show you that it's not open yet. I always scan the cards afterwards with the app Mana Box with reference to Card Market. Okay, here are all the Playboosters. 36 we have. So I think we should start. Let's go with our first pack. Thunder Salvo, Steer Clear, Seize the Secrets, Ambush Gigapede, Giant Beaver, Fake Your Own Death, Hellspur Brute, Gold Rush, Bandit's Hall, Shepherd of the Clouds, Free Strider Lookout, our first rare, Repulse, Voracious Varmint, Forlorn's Flats, and a token. Reckless Lackey, Armored Armadillo, Daring Thunder Thief, Black Snake Buzzard, Oasis Gardener, Rodeo Pyromancers, Baron Bertram Greywater, Bovine Intervention, Scorching Shot, Blood Hustler, and a mythic, Rakdos the Muscle. Cool. Tyrant Scorn, Sterling Keykeeper, this one in foil. A Plains, oh, and an artwork with the signature of the artist. Cool. Nice. Snakeskin Veil, Prickly Pear, Ariad's Lullaby, Stop Cold, Consuming Ashes, Outlaws Fury, Gold Pan, Servant of the Stinger, Ruthless Lawbringer, Aloe Alchemist, a rare Step Between Worlds, another rare Archive Trap in this Breaking News showcase design, and a Bucolic Ranch in foil, a Lush Oasis, and another artwork with this rock kind of thing. Git Rock, right. Patient Naturalist, Explosive Derailment, Trained R-Rings, Razzle Dazzler, Bald Plunderer, Stagecoach Security, Overzealous Muscle, Lava Spore Boots, Return the Favor, Plan the Heist, a Rare Concealed Courtyard, Buried in the Garden, Dead Eye Duelist in foil, Mountain, and a clue as token. So far so good. Because it's so fun for me to open these packs, I really enjoy it. Tumbleweed Rising, Irascible Wolverine, Outlaw Medic, Harrier Strix, Mourner Surprise, Sterling Hound, Betrayal at the Vault, Arthur Joe Frontier Mentor, Marauding Sphinx, and a rare Campbell Profiteering Major, and a mythic Hostile Investigator. I don't think that's fire value. Another rare Perea in this breaking news. Mystical Tether, Abraded Bluffs, sorry, and Mythical Tether was in foil. 2 mythics so far. Drover Grizzly, Quilt Charger, holy cow. Peerless Rope Master, Rooftop Assassin, Conduit Pilance, I don't know. Djinn of Fool's Fall, Arid Archway, sorry. Boombox, Take for a Ride. A rare, Another Round. Tornado, a Luxurious Locomotive in foil, and a Forest also in foil, and an Ox. Hard Bristle Bandit, Discerning Peddler, Sterling Supplier, Lone Shark, this is really funny I think, Desert Stew, Corrupted Conviction, Rambling Possum, Rise of the Varmints, Crown Violent Cacophony, Laza Familiar Stranger, another rare Wily Duke Artine Hero, Journey to Nowhere, and Failed Fording in foil, an island, and another artwork. Ah, is this Tiny Bones? Okay, Throw from the Saddle happened to me almost also. Mine Raider, Take Up the Shield, Silver Deputy, Jailbreak Scheme, Phantom Interference, Mirage Mesa, Ferocification, Rattleback Apothecary, Longhorn Sharpshooter, another round, another rare, and another rare Siphon Insight. Sorry about my English, I'm not a native speaker. And another rare, oh, in foil, Seraphic Steed, Unicorn. This looks very cool. Eroded Canyon, and another artwork card. This looks also cool. Did you buy something from Outlaws of Thunder Junction, and if so, are you happy with it? Nezumi Linkbreaker, Cactarantula, also funny. Did a Duelist, Vengeful Townsfolk, Spring Splasher, Ankle Biter, Free Strider Commando, Demonic Ruckus, Bounding Felidar, Frontier Seeker, and a mythic Goldvine Hydra. This is, I think this card has higher value because I've had this one in my collector booster, but it was also, I think, with extended artwork, and extended artwork is usually has higher value, even higher value than foil, I have the feeling, but this is great. Back for more Hard Bristle Bandit in foil, an Island, and Elemental as token. 3 mythics so far. Desperate Bloodseeker, Reach for the Sky, Trickshot, Inventive Wingsmith, Failed Fording, Binding Negotiation, the Luxurious Locomotive, Gem Lightfooty Sky Explorer, Cactus Folk Sure Shot, a rare Callan Joins Up, and a mythic. Oh, and in Borderless, Morbid Opportunist. It's downright selfish to die with full pockets. Cool. And I think this is here from the special guests category. Cool. And another rare, Void Rend, Sheriff of Safe Passage, Sheriff of Safe Passage in foil, Soured Springs, and Mercenary. I'm surprised. With no expectations. It's like watching a movie. If you don't have any expectations, it's usually a very good movie. Black Snack Buzzard, Dance of the Tumbleweeds, Highway Robbery, Armored Armadillo, one of my funniest cards, Take the Fall, Sterling Keykeeper, Quick Draw, Shoot the Sheriff, Shackle Slinger, Lassoed by the Law, and a rare Great Train Heist, Murder, Quilt Charger in foil, another Forest, and that's it. Usually I take a little bit more time for each card, but with 36 packs it will get too long. Consuming Ashes, Spinewood's Paladin, Iron Fist Pulverizer, Ariad's Lullaby, Slickshot Vault Buster, Brittle Bighorn, Outcaster Green Blade, Magebane Lizard, Unfortunate Accident, another rare Pillaged Bog, and Insatiable Avarice, or how you pronounce that. Skewer the Critics, Peerless Roadmaster in foil, Bristling Backwoods also in foil, and another artwork card with a cool. So, Skullduggery, Bristleback Sentry, Explosive Derailment, Steer Clear, Overzealous Muscle, Rodeo Pyromancers, Full Steam Ahead, Intrepid Stable Master, Gem Lightfooty again, and a rare, Rakdos Joins Up, and a mythic. Oh, it's Sword of Wealth and Power. That's great. I've also had Sword of Wealth and Power in my collector booster as... was it in foil? I don't remember. It was not raised foil. Cool, that's very cool. Another rare, Endless Detour. Usually these in this breaking news design don't have high value. Shackle Slinger in foil. Mountain. And another artwork. For me, who really enjoys the artwork, it's great to have these artwork cards. And I think it's also an honor for the artist, or showing the artist honor. Stop Cold, Ravens of Fell Omens, Patient Naturalist, Thunder Salvo, Mystical Tether, Voracious Varmint, Fake Your Own Death. Is this Tiny Bones again? I don't know. Make Your Own Luck, Neutralize the Guards, Beastbound Outcaster, and a rare. I already had this one and I didn't know how to pronounce it. Lost on the Range. Please tell me in the comments, how do you pronounce its name? Hindering Light, Trained Arrings in foil, Lonely Arroyo, and an Angel. This is really fun for me. I hope you enjoy it too. Daring Thunder Thief, Ambush Gigapede, Giant Beaver, Reckless Lackey, Oasis Gardener, Brittle Bighorn, Sandstorm Verge, Stubborn Burrow Fiend, Lively Dirge, Canyon Crab, and a rare Vatmir New Blood, Heartless Pillage, Irascible Wolverine in foil, Swamp, with this locomotive, also cool, and a Varmint. I also enjoyed when you see different characters in different cards. Wanted Griffin, Spring Splasher, Mourner Surprise, Throw from the Saddle, Highway Robbery, Outlaws Fury, Sterling Hound, Fleeting Reflection, Longhorn Sharpshooter, Unfortunate Accident, and another rare, Bruce Tal, from which we had this signed artwork. Another rare, Commander, Servant of the Stinger in foil, an island also in foil, and that's it. Vengeful Townsfolk, Lone Shark again, Izumi Linkbreaker, Reach for the Sky, Irascible Wolverine, Vision of Fool's Fall, Nurturing Pixie, Deep Mug Desperado, Form a Posse, Prosperity Tycoon, a rare Stingerback Terror, Fierce Retribution, Ariel's Lullaby in foil, Bristling, Backwoods, and an Ox. Time for another mythic, I would say. Holy cow! Harrier Strix, Desperate Bloodseeker, Hard Bristled Bandit, Mine Raider, Mirage Messer, Quick Draw, Rustler Rampage, Mobile Homestead, Spinewoods, Armadillo, oh, Double Down, a mythic. My wishes were heard. The best alibi is being in multiple places at the same time. Decisive Denial, Villainous Wealth, another rare in foil, Forest, and another artwork. How is the correct perspective? 6 mythics so far, and I think it's time for another mythic. Outlaw Medic, Peerless Rope Master, Rooftop Assassin, Tumbleweed Rising, Phantom Interference, Visage Bandit, Tomb Trawler, Unscrupulous Contractor, Riku of Many Paths as rare, and another rare, Pitiless Carnage. Aku saw his Hellspore followers as little more than ammunition to be expanded. Sorry for that. And another mythic, Tarnation Vista. Cool. Write down. Conduit Pilons, I don't know. I always pronounce it more like French, in foil. Jacked Barons. And a treasure. I think I have to say now, always time for another mythic. So far. Discerning Peddler, Take Up the Shield, Razzle Dazzler, Vault Plunderer, Cuck Tarantula, Free Strider Commando, Emergent Haunting, Slick Sequence, Brimstone Roundup, Wrangler of the Damned, Lila, Undefeated Slick Shot, rare, and another rare, Void Slime, Intimidation Campaign in foil, Festering Gulch also in foil, and another artwork. Okay, this time it didn't work out, but maybe this time. Oh, what's that? Oh, this was already opened, or what? Was this already opened, or is this just... I hope that it's just pressure and not that someone cut it. Because, as you might know, there are some people who open the packs and then sell them. Quill Charger, Inventive Wingsmith, Jailbreak Scheme, Desert Stew, Drover Grizzly, Corrupted Conviction, Slickshot Wallbuster, Thunder Lasso, Cunning Coyote, Slickshot Lockpicker, and Roxanne Starfall 7 is rare. Nice artwork. I like it. Terminal Agony, Lone Shark is a foil, a Swamp, oh, looks also cool, and Spirit. Deadeye Duelist, Sterling Supplier, Geysir Drake, Raven of Fell Omens, Bristleback Sentry, Sterling Keykeeper, Ankle Biter, Bucolic Ranch, Treasure Dredger, Rakish Crew. Oh, and Malcolm the Ice as a wanted poster rare. Cool. Siren Pirate. That's nice. Humiliate, and again Humiliate in foil. Festering Gulch and a Vampire Rouge. Trick Shot, Wanted Griffin, Failed Fording, Boneyard Desecrator, Dance of the Tumbleweeds, Conduit Pillow, Voracious Varmint, Caught in the Crossfire, Forsaken Miner, Honest Rudstein, Kaevik the Punisher, that's a rare, and a mythic, Grindstone. Alright. Ankle Biter, oh sorry, in foil, and the Plains, and another artwork, which I really like. Iron Fist Pulverizer, Mystical Tether, Take the Fall, Skull Dodgery, Spinewoods Paladin, Brittle Bighorn, Outlaws Stitcher, Red Rock Sentinel, Scalestorm Summoner, Smuggler Surprise, rare, and a mythic Generous Plunderer. Nice. Hypothesis, Requisition Raid in foil. A Forest, also in foil. And an Ox. 12 packs left. Daring Thunder Thief, Black Snake Buzzard, Snakeskin Veil, Prickly Pear, Ariad's Lullaby, Fake Your Own Death, Stagecoach Security, Sheriff of Safe Passage, Honest Rudstein again, Badlands Revival, and a rare Hell to Pay, and Bad Evil, I don't know if you pronounce it like that, another rare. Prickly Pear as foil, a Forest, and another artwork. What's your guess? How many mythics are we going to get now in this 11 left packs? My guess is quite optimistic. I'd say 3. Stop Cold, Consuming Ashes, Patient Naturalist, Explosive Derailment, Trained Arings, Rodeo Pyromancers, Voracious Varmint, Verification, Congregation Griff, Slick Shot Lockpicker, and a rare Inspiring Vantage, Savage Smash, Spring Splasher in foil, a Braided Bluffs, and an Elk. I think this is Oko's Elk. Razzle Dazzler Vault Plunderer, Tumbleweed Rising, Irresistible Wolverine, Outlaws Fury, Rise of the Varmints, Bounding Felidar, Gold Rush, Vile Smasher, Gleeful Grenadier, okay, and a mythic Railway Brawler. I think the value is okay. I think I had it in foil, which is of course... Oh! And another mythic, Legion Extruder. Nice. When the vault door opened, ancient war machines rumbled to life. Cool. Also here from the big score, by the way. Skewer the Critics, Halsper Brute in foil, Eroded Canyon, and a clue. So 2 mythics in 1 pack. We have a few left, so my tip for 3 is realistic now. Outlaw Medic, Harrier Strix, Mourner Surprise, Drover Grizzly, Quill Charger, Sterling Hound, Oasis Gardener, Demonic Ruckus, Servant of the Stinger, at Knife Point, Caustic Bronco, a rare, I think has also a little bit higher value, another rare, Collective Defiance, Stub Cold in foil, Plains, oh, and Oko with his elk as artwork, cool. Holy cow! Fearless Rope Master, Rooftop Assassin, Hard Bristled Bandit, Discerning Peddler, Overzealous Muscle, Rambling Possum, Crown, Violent Cacophony, this again Cacophony, Getaway Glamour, and Stoic Sphinx as rare, and another rare Magda the Horde Master, Tornado, Vault Plunderer in foil, Swamp, and the shark, the lone shark. I just had the German term for it is Kredithai, which is just the same translation, but I think it's very funny, this artwork with an actual shark. Come on, at least 1 mythic. Fingers crossed. Sterling Supplier, Lone Shark, Desert Stew, Throw from the Saddle, Mine Raider, Gold Pen, Phantom Interference, Magpie Lizard, Lassoed by the Law, Cactus Fork Sure Shot, Halspore Posse Boss, another rare, Buried in the Garden, Fleeting Reflection in foil, Lush Oasis also in foil, and a copy. Some of you didn't cross their fingers, so do it now. Take Up the Shield, Silver Deputy, Jailbreak Scheme, Nezumi Linkbreaker, Cactarantula, Ankle Biter, Conduit Pilon, Trash the Town, Binding Negotiation, Intimidation Campaign, Tiny Bones joins up, a rare, nice. I wanted Tiny Bones in at least 1 card in my packs. It was going to be the greatest heist of his unlife. Yes, it's with us. The greatest heist. Nice. I think this card has higher value. Journey to Nowhere, Bristleback Sentry in foil. Forlorn Flats. No, it's not foil. And Tiny Bones as artwork. That's also great. Tiny Bones the Pickpocket. For those of you who have seen my previous video, know that I really love loot, the key to everything. That would be another highlight in this pack. Dead-Eye Duelist, Vengeful Townsfolk, Spring Splasher, Desperate Bloodseeker, Reach for the Sky, Marriage Mesa, Map the Frontier, Shoot the Sheriff, Victor's Robber, Claim Jumper, a Rabbit as rare, And a mythic, Ancient Cornucopia. I reckon that thing's trying to put me out of a job. Okay, nice, also from the big score. And another mythic, Fractured Identity. Vadmir New Blood, a rare in foil, nice. Forest and Human Warrior. Thank you for crossing your fingers. I think you can continue. Trick Shot, Inventive Wingsmith, Failed Fording, Black Snake Buzzard, Slingshot Vaultbuster, Quick Draw, Earther Joe, Lava Spur Boots, Requisition Rate, Gila Cursor, Obeka Splitter of Seconds as rare, Fling, Desert's Dew in foil, Soured Springs, and oh my god, another signed art! That's so cool! Now we have two artworks with signatures. Nice! That's cool. Calendar kit, right? 3 packs left. Dance of the Tumbleweeds, Highway Robbery, Armored Armadillo, Take the Fall, Sterling Keykeeper, Free Strider Commando, Resilient Roadrunner, Metamorphic Blast, Nimble Brigand, Jolene, and Spirebluff Kennel as rare, and another rare, Archmage's Charm, Jolene again as foil, oh, with a snake in the background. Chrysotes and a treasure. Come on, 1 mythic, 2 packs left. Consuming Ashes, Spinewood's Paladin, Iron Fist Pulverizer, Ariel's Lullaby, Seize the Secrets, Corrupted Conviction, Djinn of Fool's Fall, this town ain't big enough, Hollow Marauder, Dog Hourlock, and a mythic, Selvala Eager Trailblazer, Elf Scout. Alright. Cool. Oh. Clear Shot. Throw from the Saddle, this time in foil. And Abraded Bluffs also in foil. And Food. Okay, last pack. Boneyard Desecrator, Snakeskin Veil, Prickly Pear, Trained Earrings, KC Drake, Gold Pen, Stagecoach Security, Shifting Grift, Omenport Vigilante, Prairie Dog, a Fortune Loyal Steed as a rare, back for more, Explosive Derailment as in foil, a Mountain, and a Zombie Roach. And that's it! So, let me count. 14 mythics and 14 art cards, and 2 of them with a signature. Really cool. Well, I have to check now the value for these cards. You will already know it. But yeah, let's see if we reach the 129 euros. I still doubt it, but well, we'll see. It was fun for me to open these packs. That's what I enjoy the most. It's always gone so quickly, all these packs, and we're at 36 now. And I also wanted to let you know that this won't be my last video with Outlaws of Thunder Junction, because I have here the pre-release pack and the bundle, because why not? So you will get another video where I open these two things. Would you buy such a Playbooster display, or in general anything from Outlaws of Thunder Junction? Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos in the future. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.